It's going to be a great group. And we're moving together. We're moving together in momentum. And so, as we all know, a great way to get nice and quiet is by following the breath. Just find that as your anchor. Breath in and breath out. Breath in and breath out. Notice the chatter. Your mind is just chattering away. But come back to the breath. Come back to the now. And now. And now. And now. Just checking to see if there's anything that you've been figuring out or wanting to figure out. Remember, that's the way the mind pulls us into pure negativity, into feeling bad about ourselves. So can you let go of figuring it out? Can you let go of figuring it out some more? Anything that you're figuring it out will always lead you to feel bad about yourself. If you're figuring it out, it means you don't have the answer. So can you let go of figuring it out? And instead, can you send yourself some approval? And even more approval. No matter what. No matter where you've been, what you've been up to, what you've been doing, can you just send yourself some approval? Yes. And can you send yourself more approval? Yes. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And can you notice the ways that you've been disapproving? Disapproving of yourself, of your body, of somebody, your partner, your child, your colleagues, your lifestyle. How is that helpful at all? It's not. So can you let go of disapproving of yourself? Can you let go of it some more? And even more. And even more. Now check in and notice if there's something you've been really trying to change, trying to fix. Can you see that that's a way of disapproving? Can you see that it's your way of disapproving of whatever it is that you're trying to change or fix? what are you holding in mind? You're holding the problem in mind. So just for right now, can you let go of trying to change it or fix it? Yes. Can you let go of trying to change it or fix it some more? Yes. And some more. Yes. And remember, by letting it go, we move straight into acceptance, courageousness, acceptance, and peace. And in acceptance, we find abundance, pure abundance. So can we let go, and can it get any better? Yes. Can we let go, and can it get any better? Yes. Can we let go, and can we get any better? Yes. So let's just check in again. Come back.